Ran out of time. We had 216, that was 6 to the third power. M to the third, N to the third times 5 squared is not 10. Means 5 times 5, which is 25. M to the negative 6th. So let's do what we can. We can do 216 times 25. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah, 5,400. For the m's, we have 3 plus negative 6. 3 plus negative 6 would be negative 3. And then for the n's, we still have that n to the third. Do we have anything to the 0 power? No. Do we have any negative exponents? Yeah. That's got to move. So our 5,400 can stay. Our n to the third can stay. But the m needs to cruise on down to the denominator. Cruise on down to the denominator. Heck, let's bring in some scientific notation. All objects, even resting ones, contain energy. A raisin has a mass of 10 to the negative third kilogram. The expression 10 to the negative third times 3 times 10 to the 8th raised to the second power. What? Describes the amount of resting energy in joules the raisin contains. Simplify the expression. All right, we got 10 to the negative third times this other stuff. Now let's give that second power to everything. So we'll have 3 to the second power, and we'll have 10 to the 16th power. Remember, this multiplication sign and this multiplication sign both mean multiplication, so that means we're adding the exponents. So it doesn't matter how you write it, but let's simplify what we can. I know what 3 squared is, not because I'm a genius, just because I can do 3 times 3. Now these 10s, these are the same base, so that's when we add the exponents. So negative 3 plus 16 would be 13. In typically scientific notation, you'll see like the x multiplication, but if you did the dot, it's fine. Is this in proper scientific notation? Yes, it is. Make sure your first number is between 1 and 10, and you got an exponent on those 10s. So we'll do the mix and match together. I feel like this video has been going a long time. We'll do a couple of them. So 5y raised to the 4th, you got to give that 4th power to everything. So 5 to the 4th, y to the 4th. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625, y to the 4th. All right, the 4m to the 5th, we got to give that 5th power to everything. So 4 to the 5th, m to the 5th. I don't know what 4 to the 5th is. So let's see. 4 squared is 16, times 4 is 64, times 4, 256, times 4, 1,024, m to the 5th. Sweet. All right, we got to square everything. So 7 squared, a squared. 7 squared. Don't say 14, it means 7 times 7, which is 49, a to the second. And the last one, this is all to the negative first power. So you're going to give that negative first power to everything. 12, that looks like negative 12. 12 to the negative first and g to the negative fourth. To make them both positive, drop it underneath. 1 over 12g to the 4th. All right, the other ones we'll start in the next video.